Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to focus on the M15 trading strategy, and it is built around the 15-minute chart, obviously. This time frame is a favorite for many traders because it provides a balance between fast opportunities and clear structured setups, right? So the 15-minute chart gives you enough activity to find trades during the day, but it also filters out the constant noise, that you would see on the 1 minute or the 5 minute charts, right? Now, this makes it one of the most practical time frames for day traders who want a steady flow of setups without the chaos of very low time frames. Now, let us start with the market structure. Okay, on the M15 chart, you will still see clear uptrends and downtrends forming, right? You will see your higher highs and higher lows, right? Signaling strength to the upside. Okay, you will see your lower highs and lower lows, signaling strength to the downside. Now, because the 15-minute candles form quickly enough, you can spot changes in structure faster than on higher time frames, but without the confusion of ultra short charts. So recognizing this structure is the foundation of the M15 trading strategy. Next up, let us look at support and resistance. Okay, on the M15 time frame, your support and resistance zones are usually intraday highs, lows, and reaction points. Okay, so marking these levels helps you create a trading map. When price approaches a level, you already know it's a potential decision area, right? You didn't know it's a potential decision area. So either for a bounce, a break, or a reversal. But the key here is patience. All right. Let the price react before deciding. Now, let us talk about entries and confirmations. Okay. The the M15 trading strategy relies on waiting for confirmation signals. All right. Um, this could be rejection wicks at support, right? Or at your resistance. Or it could be engulfing candles showing momentum, or a shift in structure that aligns with a higher time frame trend. Okay? For example, you can see this rejection candle that took place here. You can see this other rejection candle showing that the bears were about to take control. And if you look at it, you will see that at the end of the day, the bears finally prevailed. So, yeah, you would have entered after that rejection candle formed. Your stop loss will be above the resistance zone. Your take profit to be around the next key level, right? Targeting a support zone for your take profit since it's a sell trade, right? So it's pretty straightforward, okay? By waiting for confirmation, you avoid random entries and you keep your trade structured. For your exits, the approach is just to target the next support or resistance zone. This keeps your trading mechanical and focused. Now, one of the strongest parts of the M15 strategy is multi-time frame alignment. Okay, even though you are entering on the M15 or the 15-minute chart, you should always reference or start with a higher time frame. You can look at the H1 or even the H4 chart, to see the main trend. Okay, and then also to mark important zones, and then you drop down to the 15 minutes to fine tune your entries. So this way, you are trading with the bigger picture and not against it. Now, the final key point is discipline. Okay, the 15-minute chart will give you multiple opportunities in a day, but not every move is worth trading. The strategy works best when you stay patient, you stick to your rules, and you wait for high quality setups. Okay, this discipline will keep you consistent and help you avoid overtrading. So let us recap. Okay, recognize clear structure on the M15 chart. You mark intraday support and resistance zones. You wait for confirmation signals before entering. And you use higher time frames like the H1 or the H4 to guide your direction. Right? Stay disciplined and focus only on quality setups. So that is the complete breakdown of the M15 trading strategy. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to click the like button and subscribe to the channel. That way, you'll stay updated with future strategy videos and detailed trading breakdowns. Also, if you know another trader who might find this content useful, feel free to share the content with them, okay, so that they can also benefit from what we just discussed. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.